Dane from Scoggin-Dickey Parts Center, and I am here with Jay Riggs of Riggs Fabrication. And behind us, we have quite the treat that he has brought to the show here for C10 Nationals at Texas Motor Speedway. Can you take us through the build process on this?
Yeah, basically, this was a father and son truck that was built in the 80s. The son drove it up until he left for college, and it just got old, like they do, got parked. They kept it on the family farm, and it got time for him to rebuild it. So they brought it to us, and he knew he wanted air suspension, so we went with No Limit Engineering. We went with a Retro 8 chassis. He wanted modern drivetrain, so we went with an LT1 with a 10-speed.
Okay.
And then we used a bunch of vintage air, American Auto Wire, and painted it. It was Guards Red in the 80s, which I think everything that was red was Guards Red. And he knew that he wanted to modernize the paint, so we went with Lexus Inferno Red, and it really pops in the sun.
Nice. Yeah, it really does pop in the sun. We went to your shop the other day.
Yeah.
It was a really awesome opportunity to be able to go through the shop and see everything that was going on.
Yeah.
We had come by last year for C10 Nationals, and this was in the process of being built. We're doing a lot of fab work on it.
Yeah.
And to see the final product now is just amazing. I noticed also the interior and the upholstery work. Is that something that you guys do as well, or is
we sub that out. We do everything in-house except interior.
Okay.
And we don't machine our motors. We always sub that out.
All right.
So yeah,
okay.
we went with a TMI seat, and then we ordered some of their CNC stitched panels, and then Fallscraft is our upholstery shop that we're using, and he was able to make the door panels and the headliner using the same material to tie it all together.
Okay.
So we bought all that from them, and just kind of custom ordered what we wanted, and then he just used them as inserts.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Yeah. Excellent. So I do remember that during our tour through the shop, you don't just do specifically GM engines or anything else like that.
Right.
You do have a variety that's in there.
Right.
So,
yeah. So we do, good or bad, right? We've done factory Ford motors, factory GM moters, old school small blocks. We've done Coyotes. We've done a couple of diesels. We've done LS's, LTs, and then probably the most unique motor we ever did was that Packard, the 1958 Packard, and the machine shop we used, they didn't want to put the motor together. And I was all like, now I got to find somebody that wants to do that. So they just didn't want to get involved in anything weird. So
I totally understand that coming from my own personal background.
Yeah.
But that's great because we do offer a wide variety of engines, not just specifically LS or small block. We do Gen 5 LT,
right?
Big block, Ford Performance, and so a lot of those things are really nice because you've got customers that have different tastes,
right?
And they have a specific vision for something, and you're able to fulfill that dream for them.
Yeah, and we're even talking to you guys. We're about to do. We got a 68 Charger in, and we're talking to the Mopar division for a 392 Hemi. So we haven't done one of those yet. So we're hit a learning curve with where all to source parts, but I think the engine harness is on national back order, so we're going to go with Holley on that one, which that's what everybody's doing. So hopefully they've got that figured out.
Yeah.
So keep it easy for us.
Oh heck yeah, that'll be great.
Yeah.
So excellent. Well, appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us.
I check your hand, but I'm left-handed, holding the camera.
It's all good. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, that's a beautiful, beautiful truck. To see it in person, so if you guys are running around here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area or any of the other shows that Riggs is going to be at, I recommend checking it out.